Uy, kwentuhan ulit tayo. Itong isang client ko recently. Super smart move ang ginawa nila. So, they just bought their first home dito sa Canada. Pero, hindi lang basta bahay ha. May legal rental basement suite. Ibig sabihin, may extra income sila every month to help cover the mortgage. Di ba? Ang galing. Pero ito pa, yung garage ng bahay nila medyo luma na. Gusto nila sanang i-renovate, gawing more functional at mas modern. So, ang ginawa namin, isinama namin yung renovation cost sa mortgage mismo. With the purchase plus improvements mortgage, we were able to roll in the cost of garage upgrade into their home loan. Kaya, isang bayaran na lang, mas madaling i-budget. Now, meron na silang bahay, may rental income pa, at bagong-bago na rin ang garage nila. Perfect for storage, parking, or even a mini workshop. So if you're thinking of buying a home with potential for upgrades, or gusto mo ng extra income from a rental suite, let's chat! Ang daming creative ways para maging smart ang home buying mo.